Hello, my name is Noah Latuye. It's over a year since the last time I released a video. And the truth is, I've been away to handle the technology part of what we do here at Instinct Hub. But the fantastic thing is, coming back to create a video, it is not as easy as it used to be. In fact, I had so many sessions, and when I wasn't getting it, I was actually out of my words. I had to take some break. But there's a learning curve there. This was something I was very good at, something I was comfortable doing. But because I left it for almost a year, or more than a year, it now became something difficult for me. But come to think of it, I know that I will bounce back. But I have to pay the price of that period in which I've never tried to create anything. But let us keep that aside. The reason I am creating this video is because I have some exciting things to share with you. One of them is the fact that we just launched some products at Instinct Hub, which will be of interest to you. You'll be able to, of course, showcase your skills and at the same time also be able to, of course, make money. But aside that, as well, over the past 1 year, I've been trying to learn more skills. And one of those skills is artificial intelligence. This was something I've picked on 3 years ago, but at the same time, trying to see how all of these things ties together. The reason why I've decided to come up and share my thoughts with you. So, on a weekly basis, expect some fantastic video from me on artificial intelligence, and I'm also going to be sharing some thoughts about career path and how you can, overcome some of the challenges you do have. Challenges like time management, not having enough motivation, not having enough connections in order to push through, and even having the right content and resources to rely on. Those are some of the things I've been working on for the past 1 year. And the truth is, I've been able to learn from some things, I've been able to gather some experiences that I know that once you stay tuned, you'll find one or two things, worthwhile, and you'll be able to scale in whatever areas which you need help. So stay tuned. And of course, I am open to more suggestions. If you have questions, if you have something specifically you want me to talk about, of course, you can reach me on all my social media handles at Noah Latuye, and be willing to talk on some of those things. Now, the bottom line here is sometimes we have wishes, we're willing to do some things, but the fact that we are not having the right conversation with the right people, it's very difficult for us to see some of the darker part and some of the lighter part, and putting it all together makes it almost impossible for you to achieve what you intend to achieve. So I don't think this forthcoming year is that year you want to stay mute about things you want to do. I expect you to be more expressional, and I want to ride on this journey with you. So see you in the next one.